name, please?
Desmond Christopher. I'm from Bangalore.
What are you gonna do today?
Oh, I'm gonna have fun today. I'm definitely gonna have fun today.
Are you gonna skydive?
Yes, I'm going skydiving.
For the first time?
Yes, for the first time, yes.
What's the reason?
I just wanted to explore, I wanted to have fun. It's one of my bucket lists to do, and I'm happy that I'm doing it with my wife today. So yeah.
Come. Great.
Hi.
Great. 1, 2, 3, go beep beep.
Go beep beep.
Great.
Yes! Awesome!
How was it? Tell me everything.
Beautiful!
Give me your hand, my friend.
Yeah!
Stand
Thank
up.
you! Thank you, go beep beep! It was amazing!
Beep,
Beep beep!
So how was it? How was it?
It
Explain.
was beautiful, it was
the
wonderful.
sensation, impression.
I had fun. No fear, it was fun. Enjoyed. Thank you guys, thank you both for doing this with me. Thank you.
Thank you, my friend.
Thank you guys.
Thank you, Nadia.
Thank you, Nadia.
Thanks. Yes.
Woo!
Insane, dude.
With Harry.
Yes, definitely.
Come, your feet. Yeah, wait, please. The lines. Okay, come.
Yeah.